It's Chris over at Dixieland Farm. I just got home and Marissa had already sent me a text that the manure cart has got a flat, and this happens all the time on the farm. Tires are kind of a thing, and so is the quad. Let me show you real quick. So here is the quad and the manure and the bad tire, and I had actually seen this tire starting to go before. I was hoping to get a little more life out of it before we go away on vacation, but apparently that's not the case. So I've got to go drive, take the tire off, and I've got a replacement tire. Hopefully it's the same size, so we'll go see in the light. And yeah, manure. But as you can see, there's your problem. So now to get the tire off and fix it. There's the new tire. Is it the right size? Man, this thing's so dry rotted it's hard to tell, but I think we're pretty safe in saying yes. We're gonna go the old-fashioned way. Pop it. What's going on out there? Something. Well, the next thing I'm going to do is use the tire spoons to get the wheel off. Shouldn't be that hard because it's dry rotted, but I say that now, but still, anything can happen. You know, typical Wednesday. Manure covered. Perfect. However, the new one I'm going to hit with a heat gun to make it a little more pliable. When it's cold like that, it's just tougher. Okay, now that I've got it warmed up, I'm going to attempt to get the tire and the tube onto the rim. Never the easiest thing in the world to do, especially by hand. You know, tire shops have like a tool to do that. All I have is this and a tire spoon. And a lot of cursing. Tube is in. Now, the last bit. Plus I have to make sure I don't lose the tube stem. Never the easiest. I am going to hit it with the heat gun again. And folks, it's just that easy. But will she inflate? Inflated. Done. I do imagine this bead's going to sit a little funny. But we're back in business. Now we can go get hay. And that's it, folks. Hay's going in the barn. The cart's fixed for now. And I'm going to get to my barn chores, finish them up, and go inside. Probably edit this video. So, from Dixieland Farm, everybody, take care. Bye.